there should not be a need to restore because it should still be there. And if you're not having access to the firewall configuration tab that is inside of either integrated or standalone EDR, so if you do not have access to network control, that might be a permissions issue. You may want to reach out and put in a support ticket to see if that is what's happening. Again, if you do not have access to network control inside of your EDR, then that is probably a permissions issue. It's not been removed from the product. So if you're missing it, support ticket.